Guys, what is going on, and welcome back to another car stands video. Today I have for you Mountain Escape Impreza, all right, Hurricane Ridge in 4K by Warships Media again. All right, guys, before we get started, like always, I just want to say thank you guys so much for all the love, support on the channel. Thank you for always liking, commenting, subscribing. Okay, this live is going up. I really love and appreciate every single one of you guys, and let's get right into it, okay? And also, guys, Warships is almost at 500,000 subscribers, guys. Go subscribe to his channel, get him there. He's at 499,000. He's literally probably missing maybe 5 subscribers or even 100 subscribers, who knows, but he's missing just a little bit until he reaches that number. So get him there, guys, and let's do it. Let's check this out. And also, we're almost at 1,000, so let's hit it. That's the goal for the end of this year, is to hit at least 1,000 subscribers. From the thumbnail, this is a hatchback, right? This is a hatchie, and you can never go wrong with really any Impreza. You really can't. Oh yeah, that looks clean. I like the white and black, or is that white and blue? Damn, that looks sick. Yeah, that looks sick, bro. Yeah, white and black. You can't go wrong with this. Damn. Look at that bridge. Whoa. This looks nice, bro. The shot and everything, bro. Is this still Seattle? And I'm just asking because I'm dumb. So, because these mountains are fucking crazy. I know it's not Florida. I know that for sure. Just deers just walking across the street. That's fine. That's normal. Wildlife. This must be Seattle still. Washington. You know, I actually want to buy a roof rack for my car, and I want to put something on top of it. Not this. Maybe this. Who knows? But the roof racks are so expensive. I was looking up the prices for them. I was like, damn. At least for the one that I want. I was like, damn. You know, so there's a couple more things that I do want to do to my car, but nothing too crazy. Mostly just rims and then a roof rack, and that's pretty much it. That's what I want to do. But that's, you know, something for later down the line. I like the different tires. That's actually pretty dope. Wow, bro, this looks sexy. Yeah, that was really nice. That was really good. I liked it. I liked it a lot. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. More videos coming up on the car channel. I love and appreciate you guys, and I'll definitely see you on the next one. All right? Peace.